Yan, good morning guys. Hala, ibang mata. It's our third day here. Good morning. Busy na sila. They're making breakfast. Mapapagmata na ako, no? Sa katahubog. Hubog siya, hupong. Anyways, yan. Ano? Sunrise. Kaya lang hindi umaabot dito sa site namin yung ano, yung rice. Busy na sila. They're making breakfast.
Good morning, everybody. Taga-chill in.
Taga-chill in.
Chorizo
Good morning.
from Nanay Mo's.
Nang buntag vlogger.
Good morning, everybody.
Egg by Chef Estoy. Yo kay Estoy.
No, what the repair? What the repair?
Wow, sunny side up.
Chorizo. Chorizo na.
Alongganisa. Parehas mo na mo.
Longganisa, chorizo. Classmate ra para nasa
Di ba?
fritada o kuan kalderita. Kalderita.
Parehas lang yun. Oops.
Salamat to Diyos. Thank you.
Oh. Hala. Okay.
Kaya protein diet diha ah. Marami sa inyo. Ang buntag para makabawas tag ano. Lami kayo ano ba? Lami kayo na to washroom ba?
Hi, I'm with my lalab. We eat breakfast. Eat for the video.
Just for the video lang, be.
Ayaw ba?
Ba, alam siya nga. That ain't kung sa Tuesday na sa maadto. Kasi no, we're gonna miss the vlog, the first day.
Ako pa, ito nayang naong dito. Yan. Morning, Celestine. Morning. Ate. What's up?
What's up?
FB.
What's up, bata?
Breakfast. Ate. Ala, si Bella. Artista.
No?
Mama.
Oh, mami.
Oh, that's chorizo. That's yummy. No, you... Oh my gosh. So strong.
Yarap, ano yung usap ko tayo?
Story ada, Ma. What are you eating? What's the breakfast today?
Nga proud ko karon kaya
Okra.
diaper na ko.
Masaya na ang mga Mars. Ilang tulog. Panadistorbo. Kasi nagdayaper na skuni.
Full ups
Sige na.
Ipat ka, adlaw mi diri ay.
Tapos
muna doon sa bangko ha. Para sa bangko butang ako. Tubig, pag-water niya, tubig. Tell Lola, tubig. Okay? That is tubig.
Diba magluto dahil sila pag mata exercise ko na no. Yoga, exercise sa puti. Coffee lang.
May dirty. Don't move.
may ano ka? Yan. Cassie's climbing the tree. Char. Diba? It's on the tree na pala.
Oh, Celestine, big, big. Remove your slipper.
Can only one person? I want to do solo, please.
Solo what? Hi, love. Ay, sus. Go climb. Go climb. Climb if you can.
Yeah, will you wait for Ate Celeste? Ano, nga maka...
Dahil nalalaman na sa mas sa tuhod, wako mo siya sa mas ala, matugangan din na da.
Okay naman gyud.
Para di para di matagaw.
Mommy!
Yan.
Mommy! Look!
Okay. You don't want to go?
To siya sa langit.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I climbed up a tree.
Yeah, you remove your slipper.
Ano, Amira's turn. Go.
Papa will, will hold you. Remove your slipper so your feet can grip the ano.
turn, come.
Go, go.
Sige.
Oh, hold the tree. Hold the tree. Sige, go.
Pwede man siya patagag PC di apalo.
Kaya nga.
Di ba? Para
Naman tayo busy
full
dito.
ra.
Look, there's a rope in Ate Sophia's room. We can borrow it.
Did you know that's our childhood?
Climbing a tree. Yeah.
Yeah, wag
They,
mansanitas.
they go on the branches and fling themselves up.
Kaya?
Ah, di kaya. Kaya?
Do you guys do that? Do you guys do that? You climb on trees, sit on the branch, fling yourself
My
up.
picture, my. Picture.
That's it, Mira.
Amira, picture. That's it. That's your limit.
That's your limit.
Ate, when you try to get to that that bumpy thing, you put your foot here and hold this. Okay. So there's like something over there you can hold it.
Done.
Doesn't it hurt without any shoes?
Yeah, can you give me my slippers, please?
No, you don't use slipper.
Look. Aw naman.
Tiil, sa tiil.
Wala na anad eh. So na kita magtiniil naman ta.
Okay na. Yeah, good job.
Magduwag pa tintira, magtiniil.
Celestine, slowly. Go.
No, grab here. Celestine, here oh.
Here.
Put your...
Yeah, just
There. Yeah, like that. Good job. Okay, go up more.
wait, I don't think there's space.
There is lot of space there.
Very careful mo
I'm
dia
gonna
dua.
fall from the small gap.
No. Just hold. Okay,
Amira, you go there,
nice.
mommy. You go with mommy.
Good job. Picture. Ayan guys, we are going on a farm, like animal farm dito, malapit lang sa campsite. So, dami tayong gagawin ngayon, marami tayong on our last day here. Day ba last day? Bukas yung last day namin, pero ito yung last na gagala kami.
Just say last night.
So, marami kami pupuntahan. Let's go. Farm, stand naman eh. We're open 24/7. Saan man siya? Please.
Anira.
Ay, ani lang.
Oo.
Kaning kuan. Ito lang pala.
Kaning... Ha?
Yung mga animals.
Asa?
Nanago na gani na.
Goat? Kato?
Kaning kuan, island cheese, may... Medyo nindot-nindot.
Island cheese.
So, di ba island cheese may una?
Oh,
Then,
additional lavender.
additional lavender. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Unsa man, manguha ta.
Pero palito ni mo. Wala ka ng kuan ba?
Ano ang bayad?
Lagi magbayad ra ka. Honest lang gid dapat ka. Yan, ito yung sa tawag ani ris nga ano ris? Boat?
Honest tool.
Oo. Yeah, walang nagbabantay. Yan, mali yung food.
No, lamb smokies. Lamb sausage.
Doon ay lamb sausage nila.
Ask that a house. Oh, may cooler dito.
Mo ganing kuan.
$8. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, may veggies. Okay. Honest lang yung dapat ka. Yes.
Honest
Be
store.
honest.
store.
Wala pa lang animals, guys. Mamaya pa yon. Ito, dito is ano lang, honest store. You just have to be honest. Dala, kuha tayo nito be para mabasahin natin. Oh. Information. Gusto ka, kuya?
Lovely animals.
Well, no animals pala. Punta na lang tayo dun sa ano, sa cheese.
Diretsa na lang asa.
Sa cheese. Katong gatag na ano ni Risa.
Ina si Gina, nakaghatag na.
Walay signal kayo.
Humot siguro ni.
Nagkuhan guys.
Oh, yan ni bawo sa lavender. Ay, lavender, oh. Ang mga tumuntaan ni dito.
Oh, ato tag lavender.
Yeah, yan ni siya, no?
Mm.
Humot ni. Buta ko sa altar park ka ni. Kamahala po di, $5. Kuripot ka. Sagbot ramang yan. Okay. Yeah, and we're here at the cheese farm. Yeah, sure.
Hi. So we're going to the cheese factory. You can
Oh,
see.
there's a goat. Chicken.
Oh my gosh, look, there's chickens. Say hi, Ata, say hi. Hi. Chicken, say hi. Hi. Say hi, chicken. Amira, don't touch that. It might be like. Say hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Look at this picture. This is the farm.
Oh, guys, picture, guys, with the chicken. Amira, look.
She's taking a
Amira,
picture.
look at mommy.
Mga kabir.
One more.
Look at the cute
Look at
chickens.
Amira.
The chickens, guys. So cute.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, where's the hen? Wow.
Yeah, there's a chicken.
And that's its coop.
Yeah, there's a big coop.
I wonder if they have lots of ants. I
Eggs.
wonder eggs. Hello. Can you give me some eggs? I'm hungry.
Chicken.
Chickens here.
Different kind of chicken. Magbuhi ka na, libre na ka egg.
Bao. Kadede.
Diba, libre ka na ng itlog, Meg.
Ay, day, babae. Palisod, day.
Yeah, syempre. It's a self-guided tour for the cheese factory.
So
Wash your hands first, guys. Good job.
No potting of animals now.
There. There's a factory.
Pa nakasugod.
Wala pa? Awa pa rin sila nagsugod. Basta mo na siya yung factory, guys.
Cheese factory.
That's how it looks inside. And there's a goat. Oh. Did you pet it? Love? Para tayo mo na nagita diri sa kano.
Nalagay goat. Say hi. Mira, look. Say hi, guys. Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
The cheese.
Say hi sa mo diri ah. Wing. Amira. You three, guys. Look at me. Amira, look.
May pagawas na ni siya ba? Ah, feta cheese ni Charis. Yeah. It's a feta cheese. Plain St. Joe lemon and chili feta. Is it can be tap? Hey, pre-taste daw. O, dala tayo, mag-taste tayo. Masarap. Ano yan, te?
Dito natin ilagay. Oh, may pre-taste muna. Can I try the Rumelia?
Lamig siya?
Rumelia.
Which one? This one?
Light lang. Light siya. Yeah. Basil. Try
Yeah,
the
this
basil.
one, oh, is good. Is that like a mozzarella? No. Yeah, can I have that one too, please?
Can I try also that one? Pero mura
Rumelia.
truffle.
That one and then the truffles. Thank you.
Yung
I'm just gonna... Oh, dali. Try mine. Julian? Ano na?
Yung blue Juliet. Try mo. Taste test mo yung blue Juliet.
Romanian.
Romania.
Mabait.
Sarap, no? Hindi.
Masarap yung
Truffle?
Oo.
Yeah.
Asa man na siya kani?
No, that one, the Romania.
Romania ba?
Romelia.
Wala mo.
Ayun, ito lang.
May aftertaste siya. Mabait.
Basil.
Right? Mabait.
Yeah.
Yung ano yung...
Ito, truffle.
Blue Juliet.
Ay, mas
The
pila ko
truffle.
ang like,
Hmm?
pila ko ang guitar mo, basil.
Basil pa isa.
Thank you.
Mas pila ko basil.
Basil isa.
Blue tick.
Ang sarap. Yung truffle, sabi yan.
Yung blue Juliet. Kung yun.
Blue one more.
Blue's over there.
Blue Juliet.
Nahulog pa.
Pwede mo can bring that one, di ba?
Taste test.
Try sa ano,
Gusto ko yung
tea.
basil. Naman si Regina. Wala?
Try there. Yeah, it's good. Try the ano, Romelia. Can we try the Romelia, please? Do you want to try the blue Juliet too? Ito. Thank you.
Yeah.
Go, go.
Uy, ayun ang palitan.
Ano? Na ah?
Smells good.
Meron siya aftertaste yan. Pero masarap pa rin. Masarap naman lahat.
Mas ganahan ko sa basil. Mas umutan ko.
Basil?
Did you try the basil?
No. Yeah, no. Can I try the basil, please?
No.
Diba? Which one? Ano pa?
Try it.
Blue? Blue Juliet? The blue
Can I try
Juliet.
that?
Yeah.
Basil. Try mo nga.
Mas umot. Mas ganahan ko. Mas tama. Can I try the truffle also? Light lang na dahil.
Yeah, light lang. Yeah. What do you think? Mukhang ka? Palita?
Ganahan ko again.
Budaya doon natin baka din udah kabuk.
Unsa?
Baka ba ito di palagaan na ito ako thinking mo.
Na. Gelato.
Sayang ali. Wala na tali.
Saan na yung mga chikiting natin?
Goat milk.
Saan na yung mga chikiting natin?
Andun. Nakaupo din sila.
Nakaplastar.
We are here at Lavender's farm. Yan. Ayan, no?
So many one.
Salt, spa salt, lavender. Room spray. So, manila dali. Ano yung may lotion? Massage pa. Body oil. Try nata.
I-dry bitaw. Ito na niya. Dressing room kani.
Ay, kahumot.
Kanino palit kani?
Ba't kayo? Pang body. Bango siya. Kung na sila ka ng oil na pang... sini. Pwede. Dagin sa ano? Sa essential oil. Kini na lang siya. Wow. Essential oil. Nice. Nourish lotion.
Lotion? Kumot?
Yeah, think so. Tester. Pagkod to. Kung ko sa akong video.
This is the tester, guys.
Essential oil. Nice. Mut. No? Mahal lang, uy.
Kinuha ka mahal ba?
Yeah, bro. Tingnan natin siya. Kining ano ba? Essential ano?
Nata yun nag-ikuan katong humidifier.
Di ka na, ano ba?
Pangulo?
Essential oil man eh.
Kini,
Ah, kini. Release oil. Lavender, yeah.
Wala pang beautifier na
Oh, humidifier lagi sa taas.
kana siguro.
Ay,
Jiwa.
na.
Wala naman. Purot naman. Salt Spring. Bella. Here, swimming pool. Asa tayo yan? Sa Rainbow, di ba?
Rainbow Recreation Center. Salt Center.
Salt Spring Island.
Yeah, with Love. Look at Love. Oh, si Love is flying. Love is flying. She's swimming. Yeah. Are you happy? Are you happy? Hindi, alam, gitog na. I'm gonna take a video. Amira, look at the camera. Where's this? Hi.
Can I shoot? I can go all the way to the bottom near the.
No, but I don't have the waterproof stick.
You can just look it set down.
Yeah, go. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Yes. You can do it. You can swim. You have a life jacket. Come on. Amira, come. Go. Come on. Come to mommy. Go. Go. Good job. You know, my ball. Play.
Okay, go.
Why are we recording this?
Okay.
You're so good.
It's not kidding.
Dude, Nani Kore, bro.
3-0.
Okay, play.
Okay, go.
Wala, no. Hindi ko kaya ni Ate Jenna.
Oh, Cheryl!
Malayo si mami mo. Ano?
May serve. Uy, maganda kayong serving ko eh, kasi lobo. Yeah.
Lobo? That's a free ball.
Kaya nga.
Free ball.
Access. Wala yan sa amin dati. Play. Ano lang to? Laro. O, Gina.
Jenna.
Laro. O, Gina. That's fine.
Piano. Second
Oh,
ball.
25 rin ha. 25. Tapos balitan.
Because I thought you're setter. You get second ball.
No, ini is fine. Bella, just say mine. My ball.
I just said yeah. That also
Anong
counts.
yaya?
Yeah? You can do that.
Just say my ball. Professional rules not apply here. Just say my ball. Play.
Just call it. Doesn't matter.
Okay, go na.
That's it! Okay. One ball. Oh! Okay.
Why are we?
Yeah, we are rotating. That's how it works, Bella. Patay! Patay! Okay, 6-0.
Wala, ito na. Malikot. Wala, ito na. Malikot. Magkatanong apat.
Wala akong game. Sige. Yan, okay na lang.
Over the net. Yeah.
Wait, no professional rules, bro. No professional rules, huh?
7-1. Okay, who's that? Go. Okay. Button.
2-7.
Oh, rotate na, BJ. BJ.
Big boy. Tunga ka te.
Bakit tunga po.
Center ka.
Backward pa kuya mag-serve.
Mommy,
what you have
Malapit ka muna, malapit ka. Yan.
That's straight under, bro.
Focus on the ball. Oh. Wow. Kawan na dyan sila. 1-7. 1-3 naman, miss. 1-3. Asa na, miss? 3 sila? 3 ay na? Itiman nga na ako, guys.
Oo nga, oo.
Okay. Oh, may dagdagan na sa ginood. Sige, kuya, go. Pasok! Over! No, it's over. Even if it hits the net, it's still over. No, basta net. I know. Yeah, pasok.
Okay, 4-7.
4-7. 6-7. Look, alam mo ano. Out! Dito!
Out.
Ginanit. Nit. Abay lang ang kahoy.
Mahim! Replay!
Bela.
Mahim ba na ni Kuya Kahoy? Kahoy! Kasi Bela na! Bela! Hoy, Bela! Pantayan na ba kay Bela? Hoy, Bela! Ay, nako!
Kung kailan ka professional, yung palang kamali.
Magkano yung binayad mo? Kailan naman, 5.
Okay.
Say 4.
4-8.
4-8.
Yeah.
Yes, so hard. Mom, you're so bad at
May, okay, May.
This is gonna hit me, guys.
Big boy, manood kayo. Big boy.
And
Ganyan lang mag-serve, ha? Ganyan.
score na to mo doon.
Mom, you can do this.
Wala pa to eh.
9-4.
Hoy, dili mo rotate camera. Wala pa, later.
Dito na kayo. Okay.
Ala. Marimar. Wala tao doon. Ay, guys.
Go, mommy.
Camera na.
Oh, Julie.
Mine.
Oh.
Mine!
Mine.
Kunin mo.
Kinuha nga niya kaso ginanong pa rin.
Go. Dili na score.
10-7.
Ala ka. Ito. Lock yun. Tanti lang na.
Good, Antonio.
Okay.
May
Okay, play.
Oh, yeah, si Marimar.
Yours.
Hey!
Saban mo yan, Brett. Ayan na, mayo na.
Ilan na? 11 na?
11. Paano lang? 5 na lang. Pag 15, Baylo na po.
Could you know, face the camera there.
Why?
Oh, just there. No, just in the middle.
You can see everybody, bro. Actually, no, that's fine.
Apat na lang. 15-15 lang nga. Baylo na po.
Sige. Kaya mata professional.
Kung professional, 25. Ano lang tayo?
But when you make a mistake, then you
Okay.
you for it.
Oh, play!
Out! Out! No, it was right there. That's out. Oh, I'm ref. Bye! Under.
Ace to ace.
5-5! 5-11!
9-11. 11-7. Ace niya.
Pabor ka naman. May!
I thought you were gonna hit me.
12. Okay, play. Okay. Amo. Oh.
Under, that's under. It's under. No. It hit and it rolled under. It's under. No, Kuya. It rolled under. It hit and it went under.
Let's go. Ilan mo na?
Hindi, the way kasi si Meg nagstay sa kamay niya bago niya ginanon. Yeah, kuya.
What the heck?
It didn't touch her in the hand.
Meron siyang slow-mo.
No, it stays on her hand before he goes.
Mommy, she broke the ball.
Okay. 1-0. Ano, Gina? Pinalita ka na ni Marina.
Ay, Marina, I'm gonna pee too. You go. In the middle.
Okay. Hindi, sa inyo dito. Sa inyo bola.
It's your guys' ball.
Okay, 1-0. Oh, Bella. Okay.
No, it was also you.
To 0. Oh.
Go, Daddy.
Megan.
Oy, 3-0. 3-0?
No, sir, yeah.
Kuya, padayon niya.
Yeah, go.
Oh, Anton.
Oh, yan.
Oh, 1-3. Okay. Oh, Bella, ikaw na Bella.
Ay, nako. No, we have to hit the ball. It's so fun. Those are my ones. Okay.
Oh, Anton. Okay, 4-1. Set, Jan.
4-1.
Play.
Ayun, no?
Ah!
Sure.
Ilan na score? 4-1.
5-1 na, oy.
Ay, 5-1.
Ay, Mayura. Paston.
Mami.
Oy, Gina, atras.
Anyway, so just
Basta pa. Yan, kasi nasa pwesto pa yan.
Wala pang naiihi. Teka, Res, wala pang
Kayo kan play din, Marina.
Yup.
Kuyaton.
No.
Set it, bro.
Sus, papa, ay, dali na. Papa, sige na.
Okay. Oh, Jewel. Go for Jewel. Oh.
Papa!